Do you know why the science book went to therapy? Because it had too many problems. Welcome to our channel, where we explore the wonders of science in the most fun and interactive way possible. Today, we're diving into the top 5 interactive science centers in Florida. These places make learning science as exciting as a roller coaster ride. So buckle up. Join us as we embark on this journey to explore the top 5 interactive science centers in the Sunshine State. Our first stop is none other than the Kennedy Space Center Visitor Complex, a place where space exploration comes to life. Imagine standing beneath the towering giants of engineering that propelled astronauts into the great unknown. At the Kennedy Space Center, you can do just that in the Rocket Garden, a unique outdoor exhibit that showcases rockets from NASA's Mercury, Gemini, and Apollo programs. Each rocket stands as a testament to the advancements in space technology, and you can even experience what it's like to sit inside a Mercury-era capsule. But the Kennedy Space Center isn't just about looking at rockets, it's about stepping into the shoes of those who dared to venture beyond our world. Ever wondered what it's like to be an astronaut? The astronaut training experience gives you a taste of the rigorous physical and mental training that astronauts undergo. From navigating the Martian terrain to performing a spacewalk in microgravity, you'll get a real sense of the challenges faced by those who journey into space. Let's not forget the star of the show, the Space Shuttle Atlantis. This isn't a replica, but the real deal. Atlantis flew 33 missions into space, and now she's here for you to marvel at. You can explore the shuttle's payload bay, sit at the controls in the flight deck, and even glide down the exhilarating shuttle launch experience slide. The Kennedy Space Center makes the wonders of the universe accessible to everyone. It's not just a museum, it's an immersive hands-on journey through space history. You can touch a moon rock, meet an astronaut, and even witness the awe-inspiring spectacle of a rocket launch. This is a place where you don't just learn about space exploration, you live it. Every exhibit, every artifact, every experience is designed to inspire and educate, to spark curiosity and ignite a passion for discovery. So if you're looking to explore the vastness of the universe, the Kennedy Space Center is a must-visit. It's a chance to step into the great beyond without ever leaving the ground. A journey to the stars that starts right here on Earth. So buckle up, space explorers, because at the Kennedy Space Center, the sky is not the limit, it's just the beginning. Next on our list is the Museum of Discovery and Science, a place where you can uncover the mysteries of our planet and beyond. Imagine a place where you can feel the rumble of a simulated earthquake, come face to face with a prehistoric megalodon, or soar through the skies in a flight simulator. That's not a figment of your imagination, folks. Welcome to the Museum of Discovery and Science in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. With a plethora of hands-on exhibits, this museum is a playground for the curious mind. You can experience the power of natural forces in the Storm Center, or explore the wonders of the Everglades in the Living in the Everglades exhibit. From the physics of sports to the mysteries of outer space, there's something here for every budding scientist. But the learning experience doesn't stop with the exhibits. The Museum of Discovery and Science boasts a 5-story tall IMAX 3D theater, offering a cinematic journey into the heart of science. Whether you're diving into the depths of the ocean or journeying to distant galaxies, these films will leave you with a profound sense of wonder and a thirst for knowledge. One of the highlights of the museum is the interactive elements. You're not just a passive observer here, you're an active participant. Take part in live animal encounters, where you can meet and learn about creatures from all over the world. Or head over to the science park, where you can launch water rockets, engineer a city, or even dig for dinosaur bones. It's not just about science though, it's about discovery. It's about that spark of curiosity, that moment of aha. It's about the joy of learning, the thrill of exploration, and the wonder of the world around us. So whether you're an aspiring astronaut, a future biologist, or just someone who loves to learn, the Museum of Discovery and Science is a must-visit. With its engaging exhibits, immersive films, and interactive experiences, it's a place that brings science to life. The Museum of Discovery and Science is sure to ignite your curiosity and inspire your imagination. Third on our list is the Orlando Science Center, a place where science is anything but boring. Picture this: a sprawling 5-floor playground where science comes to life through a multitude of interactive exhibits, workshops, and live shows. That's the Orlando Science Center, a place where curiosity and wonder are the only prerequisites for entry. Here, every floor is a new world waiting to be explored. From the mysteries of the human body to the marvels of outer space, every corner of science is covered. To kick things off, let's dive into the first floor, where you'll find exhibits dedicated to the Earth's natural wonders. From the wild weather patterns to the vibrant world beneath our oceans, this floor brings Mother Nature right to your fingertips. Journey to the second floor and you'll be greeted with a world of technology and engineering. This is where you can get hands-on with interactive exhibits that show how physics can make the impossible possible. You'll find yourself building bridges, programming robots, and even learning how to harness the power of electricity. The third floor, on the other hand, is a haven for biology enthusiasts. This is where you get to explore the intricate workings of the human body and understand the complex ecosystems in which we live. And if that's not enough, the fourth floor is dedicated to the cosmos. Here you can navigate the stars, learn about the mysteries of the universe, and even get a glimpse of what it's like to be an astronaut. But the fun doesn't stop there. The Orlando Science Center also boasts a digital adventure theater, where you can journey to the furthest reaches of the universe without leaving your seat. It's a sensory experience like no other, combining stunning visuals with immersive sound to make you feel like you're right in the middle of the action. From toddlers to adults, the Orlando Science Center has something for everyone. Whether you're a budding scientist or just curious about the world around you, this is a place where you can learn, explore, and have fun all at the same time. The Orlando Science Center offers a world full of excitement and learning for all ages. Next, we head to the Frost Museum of Science, where science meets art and culture. This vibrant institution, nestled in the heart of Miami, is the epitome of interactive learning, blurring the lines between education and entertainment. The Frost Museum of Science is a melting pot of ideas and innovation, and here's why. Let's start with their state-of-the-art planetarium. It's not just a dome that projects the night sky. Oh no, it's an immersive, celestial theater. You can journey through the cosmos, witness the birth of stars, and even come face-to-face with distant galaxies. It's a cosmic experience that is truly out of this world. But the fun doesn't stop there. The museum also houses a spectacular 3-level aquarium. Here you can delve into the mysteries of the deep blue. From Florida's unique ecosystems to the vast open ocean, you can marvel at the array of marine life, including sharks, stingrays, and a plethora of vibrant tropical fish. It's an underwater voyage that captivates the imagination and sparks a deep appreciation for our oceanic friends. And let's not forget about the interactive exhibits. These aren't your typical do-not-touch displays. The Frost Museum encourages hands-on learning with exhibits that cover everything from the human body to the physics of flight. It's a playground for the mind, sparking curiosity and fostering a love of learning. But what truly sets the Frost Museum of Science apart is its commitment to environmental stewardship and conservation. It's more than just a museum, it's a platform for change. Through their exhibits and programs, they inspire visitors to take an active role in preserving our planet. They champion renewable energy, sustainable practices, and conservation efforts, all in the name of a greener, healthier Earth. At the Frost Museum of Science, you can explore, learn, and contribute to a sustainable future. So, whether you're a science enthusiast or just a curious wanderer, the Frost Museum offers a unique, unforgettable experience that goes beyond the conventional museum visit. Our final stop is the South Florida Science Center and Aquarium, where you can dive into the wonders of our oceans. This center is a treasure trove of marine life, boasting an impressive aquarium teeming with a vibrant array of sea creatures. Here, you can get up close and personal with tropical fish, graceful sea turtles, and even some playful otters. But the fun doesn't stop there. The center is home to a multitude of interactive exhibits designed to immerse you in the science of the sea. From exploring the intricacies of coral reefs to understanding the impact of climate change on our oceans, these exhibits are truly captivating. And let's not forget the planetarium. With its state-of-the-art technology, you can voyage to the farthest reaches of the cosmos, all while staying firmly grounded in South Florida. The center's focus on marine conservation is truly commendable, making it an essential visit for those passionate about preserving our oceans. The South Florida Science Center and Aquarium is a haven for marine life enthusiasts and budding scientists alike. Well, there you have it, the top 5 interactive science centers in Florida, a gateway to explore science in a fun, hands-on way. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow science enthusiasts. Stay curious and keep exploring.